Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am packing for the cottage. I have a bunch of stuff behind me, as you can see. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna go through it quickly. I just laid everything out and I will show you what I need. I'm going to the cottage for about 10 days and it's probably gonna be mostly sunny, but I did bring some longer pieces because at night it gets really cold. So I'll show you what I brought. All right, we're gonna start at this corner here. These are my tank tops. I just have like a plain black tank top, a muscle tee. You can see the muscle tee here, kind of like a wider strap tank top, and then a knit tank top here, probably just to wear over the bathing suits. Have a bunch of bathing suits here. I went pretty colorful this year. This is a J. Crew one piece. I am pretty excited to wear it. Just a couple ones from last year. These are my new ones, the yellow and red ones from H&M. It's like a high-waisted one. And then just plain top like that. These were all like $8, so the bottoms were $8, the top was $8. So the yellow one's a slightly different shape. It's more of like a sports bra shape, I'd say. And then I got some really cute black ones from Saks Off Fifth like a while ago, Nike regular like training swimming top. And then I got this really cute one from Volcom. I really like the print and like the thick strap. Got a black version of the red top, because you can never have too many black bathers. Then I have sports bras, underwear here, some socks. I have two hats, my Roots one, my Nike one, and then my Roots bandana. A little face towel. I'm bringing my Roots Oversized Sweater. PJs, 2 sets, a tank and shorts, and then short sleeve and long, and then an extra pair of just boxers. Neutrogena face wipes in case I get too lazy to wash my face. Caudalie Spray, Laneige Lip Mask, my Muji cream, Perfect World SPF from Origins, Kate Somerville Exfolikate. I have Summer Fridays, toothbrush that's wrapped in this paper towel, some random makeup. Don't think I'll be wearing it, but I'm gonna keep it in there. I have my Plum Oil, that is the best. Then I have some t-shirts, Modern Essential Gray one, a vintage one I stole from Travis many years ago, Wilfred Oversized white t-shirt, a little cropped one from Zara. I'll probably add another white regular t-shirt here too. Have my Everlane really light like open knit one. It's a little bit, it has a little bit of like fluff on it, but whatever. Brandy Melville Henley, just long sleeve. Sweatpants, my Billabong striped ones, and then my Hudson's Bay Core Collection gray ones. Champion white crop sweater. I'm bringing the Reformation Cynthia ones, and then my vintage Gap overalls. So I found these last minute. These are kind of like my Wilfred shorts, but these are cotton, and they are by Community, also from Aritzia, but I don't think they make them anymore. And then I have Nike shorts, Lulu shorts, pair of the Atmosphere TNA shorts, and then I also brought my linen pair in case, and then another pair of my Nike tennis shorts. I actually might not bring these because I have enough now, so I'm gonna throw them over there. These are the books I'm gonna read. So I'm gonna be reading Paper Lions. Sarah Kunar, who is a co-founder of the agency I am signed with, her dad wrote a book, and so I'm gonna bring that with me to read. And Beyond Beautiful is the BFF Book Club book to read this month, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I have my Kindle that really needs to be charged, that I will get some other like more light books on there. I am bringing my Converse. I haven't broken them in yet, so I really want to like just get them dirtied up and scuffed up, and I think the Cottage is the best way to do that. Have my T-Keys waterproof flip-flops, and then I'm gonna wear these as well, just like probably on the ride there as like slippery things. Then I also have my Aritzia TNA jacket that has like all the pockets, so it'll be kind of like my windbreaker slash light rain repellent jacket. So this is the lineup for about 10 days at the cottage. Let me know if you guys would bring anything else. Oh, of course I have a bunch of sunscreen downstairs, and then food and my Yetis, and they're all gonna go in this bag. I can't find my less for sack bag, so this is like a super old Eddie Bauer one. I don't even know, there might be holes in it, but we'll see. And then of course I'll bring my sunglasses and a purse with like all my normal essentials, but I hope you found that helpful. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all soon.